There's a jugalbandi going on. Here is my chef friend Varun, and we are actually competing.
Yes.
Cutting onions.
And I'm going to win it.
We'll see who will win. Varun, I'm faster. Okay, I've finished 4.
Yeah, right. You not finished 4. You just finished 4 parts.
ये देखो. Varun, I'm done.
So what are you making with these onions?
देखो शुरुआत तो हमने करी है जुगलबंदी से, तो let's end it also with a जुगलबंदी.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So if you've noticed, both of us have cut onions and not even a drop
Yes.
of tear here.
That's experience because that's where we start, and today we are again doing that.
So what are you doing, Varun? I'm going to put some salt in this. What are you thinking of doing?
I'm also doing the same, but I'm giving it a twist.
So you give
So
your
yes.
twist,
Thanks.
and
Yeah.
I will do it straight.
So basically, what I'm doing is I'm trying to make a healthier version and also something innovative of our regular kanda bhaji.
Wow.
Rather, if you want to take it as kanda fritters or onion fritters. So what I do is I use very less oil and I finish it in a waffle. So I make a kanda bhaji waffle.
The Gyani Varun ji. Always, whenever we have any such discussions, Varun will always come with his very serious face. You see his
and
serious
suddenly,
haircut? It
see,
looks like a
it's
plate on
not-
his head. You can actually make pyaz ke pakode and serve it. I'm going to do simple kanda bhaji, but my twist is going to be the sprinkler. I rather like to call myself the sprinkler.
Interesting. Innovative. No, mine is super tasty. Innovative. What is more important, you tell me? Taste with innovation is what is important.
We'll see. तो अभी हम ये करेंगे, and then we will.
You know what?
taste
You all
together.
better comment whose recipe is better.
Yes. But then for that you need to try the recipe as well.
Try it and comment.
And try करने से पहले subscribe भी कर लेना.
Very important, and better like our videos.
Because वो तो free है. You want dhania? I'm putting all the dhania there.
You put whatever you. How can you use all the dhania? This is what. See, this is how our flavors are going to come out.
चल. बहुत ड्रामेबाज है यार ये, मतलब इसको डाल दो कोई सोप ओपेरा में, अच्छा खासा एक्टिंग कर लेगा. क्या?
You see that? You see that? Yeah.
मेरे यहाँ पे तो एक कढ़ाई में तेल फ्राई हो रहा है और ये मेरे
और
प्याज. आप बताइए.
मेरा यहाँ पे वॉफल गरम हो रहा है.
वॉफल गरम हो रहा है.
वॉफल प्लेट्स गरम हो रहे हैं. Sorry.
वॉफल.
Plates.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, all our ingredients would be the same probably because we are making a classic.
प्याज में अपने नमक तो डाल दिया था, so I don't
Yes.
need नमक. I want ajwain. You want ajwain?
I do want ajwain for sure because ajwain is what defines the taste. I'm adding coriander powder.
I also want.
Yeah, you can.
But I want to
want
make it spicy. Spicy बनाना है, spicy. I want besan.
She's getting nervous.
Varun, I can hear you, okay? You want besan? You
Yes.
stay.
So Anupa is almost done with her thing.
Yes. So इसको डालने के बाद इसको ऐसा मस्त मसलना चाहिए ना, so that it
So
all.
basically, all the water that has come out of sweating is what moisturizes the batter.
Yes, and it all gets absorbed
Yes.
by the besan. तेल में बस इसको छोड़ दो ऐसे. Varun, what is
It's really
happening
nice.
to your bhajia?
Yes. So I'm adding it first. What I'll do is I'll brush the waffle plates with little oil.
हाँ, healthy बना रहा है ना, तो ऑयल यूज कर ले.
देखो कितना सा ऑयल जा रहा है, देखो. और ये देखो, like ऑयल पी रहा है वो. So now I'll add this to the waffle plates.
वरुण का इनोवेशन देखिए, गौर से देखिए, शायद आप ये घर पे बना पाए. अब बनाने के बाद वरुण की जरूर तारीफ कीजिए.
So there is one more way of making it crisper. It's a very traditional way, and आजकल किसी को पता नहीं है.
हाँ बताइए ज्ञानी जी.
So अगर आपका बैटर बहुत मीन्स बेसन का फ्लावर बहुत गाढ़ा हो जाता है, so पहले के ज़माने में क्या करते थे, उसको क्रिस्प बनाने के लिए उसमें बटर मिल्क डालते थे.
ओह,
बटर मिल्क को छाछ.
खास.
Let's play a game.
हाँ, गेम.
Yeah.
चलो यही भी रह गया था.
डर गई.
Yes sir,
डर
please.
गई,
Tell me,
डर
come on, bring it on, Varun.
I'll give you 10 seconds. Name 5 things out of the letter T.
Tea.
Food items.
Tea is also food. Okay, you keep quiet. Tamarind.
Tea is food.
Tea, tamarind, tomato.
5 seconds done.
Keep quiet.
7 seconds done. 10 seconds done.
How is it possible? Wow, Varun,
See?
you're super creative, yeah?
You already loved it. I'm telling you.
Yeah, but this is going to taste better.
Yes, so I've got a lot of color in it, but I think a little more time will do it.
Yeah.
just so that she feels even, you know.
Yeah, even? We'll never be even. I am thin, he's fat. We can never be even. It's okay, Varun.
Check Anupa's earlier videos.
So I've got some curry patta.
Wow.
Okay.
That's like gold leaves in India. I love curry patta.
I want it crispy, but I'm not going to put it in the oil. I'm making a nice sprinkler.
So you're making it crispy?
Yeah,
So
so
that
I'm just frying it. Varun,
Yeah.
just crush this, please.
Sure.
Tab tak I'll remove the pakoda from the oil. This is red chili flakes.
wow.
And this is chat masala.
Ah, fantastic.
And it is smelling
Fantastic.
also nice.
It's looking so nice. And I can see it's crispy.
Dalu, huh?
So this is Anupa's touch. Look at those colors. The green is looking so nice, and after it's fried, it's awesome.
किधर है तेरा waffle?
I'm
कल
done.
breakfast में मिलेगा लगता है. Crispy.
So I'm doing something else. So she likes everything very spicy. I also like the same, but sometimes I like some subtle flavors. So मैं इधर तड़का रायता बना रहा हूँ जो इसके साथ as a dip serve होगा. So I'll add some jeera. So I'm adding some rye, curry leaf, gold leaves as I call it. इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे थोड़ा हल्का सा मिर्च पाउडर, हल्का सा सिर्फ फ्लेवर के लिए और
मसालेदार.
सो ये हो गया हमारा तड़का.
ओहो, lovely.
वाओ. चलो फील प्लेटेड.
ओह, मेरे तो इतने बढ़िया क्रिस्प पकोड़े बने हैं. एंड आई हैव गॉट माय ट्विस्ट ओवर इट. ये मेरे प्यारे हरे पत्ते. So Varun,
Yes.
we're actually done. Before you giving me any verdict or me giving out my verdict, I think the best is we ask our viewers.
Call your friends, cook with them, enjoy, create a moment, cook,
Yes.
have fun. We are going to have our moment because it's raining, pouring outside. Our chai is ready.
Yeah.
And some crisp bhajis.
Wow. Chale.
Bhaji, waffle
and
bhaji.
Waffle.